Hello my slay queens, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing this no foundation, no concealer. Also, I haven't used any makeup brushes or sponge to achieve this look. This is a very beginner friendly makeup which only takes 5 minutes to get done. Also, all the products I'll be using are easily available on purple.com. Purple.com is one of India's largest e-beauty destinations with original and authentic products at pocket friendly prices. Purple Pujo sale is live from 5th to 11th October and you can avail up to 50% discount during the sale. You can also get 10% discount on a minimum purchase of Rs 499 using the coupon code that's flashing on the screen right now. The website offers 100% hassle-free returns in 2 days, so download the app now and don't forget to check out the description box as I have linked all the products that I've used in today's video. And now without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. I'm first going to start off with cleansed face. Then I'm going to apply the Good Vibes Rosehip oil. Now this is just an alternative for moisturizer. So you can go ahead and apply a moisturizer or a facial oil, anything that, which just gives that moisture and hydration to your face. Since I have dry skin, I'm going to take some, time to massage this well. And once I'm done massaging this in, I'm going to leave for about at least 5 minutes before I start off with my makeup application. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to take the Purple True Jewel 24K Gold Primer, and this is a silicone based primer. It just mattifies your face. At the same time, it also fills in any of your pores and also makes your skin really smooth so that the foundation can glide on very easily. I'm going to mainly concentrate this on my T-zone and especially around my nose, because that's where I have a lot of whiteheads and open pores, and whatever is remaining I'm just going to apply on the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Compact, and this is in the shade NC42, and with the help of a powder puff, I'm just going to take some amount and start applying on my face. I'm going to start off applying on the areas where I have pigmentation. I'm just going to pat the compact foundation onto my face so that it gives a nice beautiful coverage and also make sure that all of my unevenness, my dark spots, everything is covered. And I'm also going to apply the same on my eyelids as well, so everything looks even toned. Moving on to brows, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in dark brown, and with a very light hand I'm going to fill in my sparse areas of my brows. And yes, this definitely gives a lot of definition for your eyebrows. And lastly, I'm just going to brush them out so that it blends really well and makes it more natural looking. So once my brows are done, next I'm going to start off with my eye makeup. For that, first I'm going to take the NY Babe Blinking Eyeshadow in Carnage Hall. So this is a single eyeshadow, and it's a very pretty shimmery peachy color, especially on the days when I don't want to apply any eyeshadow and blending and all of that, but still provide a little bit of color onto my eyes. This is something I like to use. Like single eyeshadows like this really come in handy because you can just apply them with your fingers. You don't need any blending brush or anything, and you do not even put a lot of effort. And with my pinky finger, I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and start smudging that on my lower lash line. Again, it just gives a nice definition and also adds some color. So next I'm going to take the NY Bae, the Big Apple of the Eye kajal, and this, you guys know that I absolutely love this kajal pencil. It's very inexpensive and also it's pretty pigmented and it doesn't smudge off that easily. So what I'm going to do here is I'm first going to apply on the outer half of my eyelids. Again, with the help of a pinky finger, I'm just going to smudge my kajal. This just looks like a smoky kajal effect, and it looks like you have done a lot of effort when in reality it only takes a few seconds to do it. Again, I'm just going to take the same kajal on the innermost part of my eyelids, and I'm just going to extend on the inner part of my eye, and it just elongates your eyes and gives a nice cat eye effect. I absolutely love doing this because it lengthens your eyes and makes your eyes look a little more bigger. And coming to my wing, again I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going to slightly do the wing first, and then I'm just going to smudge it off like that, so it just gives like a smudged out kajal, wing liner effect. I'm going to apply the same kajal on my lower lash line as well, but making sure that I'm only going to take the kajal halfway through. I'm not going to apply the kajal entirely on my lower lash line, because I just like the appearance of using kajal just on the half portion of my lower lashes. And next I'm going to take this eyelash curler and just curl my lashes. On the days when I don't wear falsies, I love doing this because it holds my lashes up and it also makes your eyes appear more bigger and open, so I love doing this. Coming to my mascara, I'm going to apply my mascara throughout my lashes, so I'm just going in a zigzag way, and I'm also going to wiggle my lashes so that it gives more volume and lift, also like lengthens my lashes. And I'm also going to apply mascara on my lower lashes as well. So yeah guys, that completes my eye makeup look. Again, I love it. It looks so glamorous and it took no time to complete this look. Moving on to my lipstick, I'm going to take this purple HD lipstick in the shade Sleepover Companion. It's a very pretty, like a pinky red shade. This lipstick is super duper pigmented and it has that one swipe full pigmentation. You gotta give it like a minute to settle down and become a non-transfer proof lipstick. But before it settles down, I'm just going to take a little on my finger and apply that like a blush on my cheeks. Since I'm not going to apply any blush, compared to a powder blush, just make sure to stay on for a very long time. And yeah, it's very quick and easy on the days when I'm not doing any contour or blush and I just want some color and definition for my cheeks. This is what I do. I also take the same lipstick on my nose as well. This just makes it look very cohesive and I just love the appearance of blush, so that's why I'm going all ham and using it. Then I'm going to take the Lakme Radiance Compact Powder. Now this is a very lightweight sort of a powder. It's not like the MAC one. It's very lightweight and it has a very sheer sort of a coverage. I'm just using it on the centers of my face to brighten up my face and highlight the highest points of my face. Since my face was looking a little more flat because of the one color, okay, that it just gives such a nice glow onto my face as well. And lastly, I'm going to take the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. It is such an amazing product to set your face. Now since we have used a lot of powders, this makes sure to melt down all your powders into a skin-like finish, and it also makes your makeup last longer. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and I'm just going to allow it to dry. So this is my completed look. Oh my god, it just looks so stunning and nobody can even make out. Like, it only took 5 minutes to get this done and I just love it. It stays for a very long time. It's quick, it's easy, and it's very beginner friendly as well. And the products I used were very inexpensive, so every product that I use will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And with that, I'm just going to take off for today. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying and stay safe. I love you all so much. Bye guys.